What's that? It's a puzzle. Cool. Would you like to play? Yeah. This should be... Yes. Okay. Next. What are you guys doing? Oh, we're doing a puzzle. Oh, yeah! Let's play this, guys. Okay, yeah. Red team, let's get ready. U-I-U-T. Yes! Awesome! Thanks. Hey, guys. We did it!
Wash that's also shampoo, Mentos and cola, things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shy, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shy always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Power Up, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shy's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane." Shy took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shy's unbelievably magical invention, Power Up 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Power Up 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Power Up 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front, there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 hours of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shy learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Power Up 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shy made it really cool. Power Up 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Power Up 3 is ready for production. This is where Shy needs your magic beans. If you help Shy get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Power Up 3 and help make the magical, magical-er.
Imagine if you could control the world's favorite balancing robot with a few lines of code. Introducing CoderMip, the robot who can become anyone you want him to be. With your programming powers, he can become a crazy mad scientist, an English tea butler,
Ooh, the cookies!
the ultimate wingman, Picasso's protege, or simply just an extra set of hands. CoderMip will become one of your favorite sidekicks. Loved by the entire family. Meet the new CoderMip, the amazing programmable robot. Brought to you by Wowie.
Hi there, it's Sarah, your seedling play specialist, and today we're going to be taking the mystery out of one of our most popular activity kits, Design Your Own Superhero Cape. So let's crack this open and see what's inside. The first thing we have is what will be the blank canvas for your unique project, the blue superhero cape. But before they get started on the cape, they're going to want to sketch out some ideas. So for that, we have our design sheet and a bunch of colored pencils. So after they're done with their really cool design, we're going to want to get started on the project. The first thing we have here is some pre-cut stars, but also blank sheets of both felt and foam, so you can help them cut out any shape that they want for their cape. Next, we have our tools to add those pieces to the cape. So we have craft glue and a brush. All of our kits come with all of the tools that you need to put together your activity. Then next, we have a bunch of different colors of glitter glue to add a colorful pop of sparkle to the cape. And lastly, we have some instructions with some tips for design. But do remember that there's no correct way to put this cape together. At Seedling, we believe that your child's ideas are much better than ours. So all of our kits are created to inspire the creativity of your little one and inspire open-ended play. Now let me show you a few ways that this can come together. We hope you've enjoyed learning about our Design Your Own Superhero Cape. If you're interested in more superhero-related products, check out our Design Your Own Superhero Mask as well. Thanks for stopping by.